Hey everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to keep onigiri rice ball moist in the fridge overnight. If you're busy or you're not morning person, this is the perfect idea. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You need cooked rice and 2 teaspoons of oil. So rice drying out in the fresh overnight solution is to add oil. I'm using sesame oil with flaxseed oil. Regular cooking oil is okay, but since you're using this much oil, you may want to use healthy one. Cut through the rice with a rice puddle to mix. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Divide it into 2-3 pieces as big as you want. Then make onigiri rice balls. If you're making onigiri a night before, I recommend not touching it with your bare hands. This is why I use plastic wrap. In this way, onigiri will be bacteria-free and last longer. This is optional. You can make faces and wrap with nori seaweed sheet. Kanikama crab meat headband is perfect for sports day. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 맛있지?
僕はゼリーいっぱい十分食べましたね。よく食べました。